Aloha everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kree and you're watching my budget journey.
Well, there it is.
So for today's video, we will be cash stuffing my second paycheck of September and my side hustle check from week 3. So let's get started. So this is my budget breakdown sheets. This one is for my paycheck and this one is for my side hustle check. And I'm just gonna briefly show it to you. I'm not really gonna go over it because this is gonna be a really long video. So yeah, let's get crack-a-lacking.
I know that's right. Bye.
Okay, so first we're gonna unstuff my cash envelopes. So groceries has nothing. Takeout, you know, got nothing. It never has anything. Sephora, you got nothing. Beauty has $7. And then miscellaneous has $2. I think that's it. This is going back to the bank, so yeah, disregard that. I still have to upload my receipts to Fetch. If you don't have Fetch, you'll get 2,000 points if you sign up with my referral code. And then I'll also get points too. Let's do my coins. I'm just gonna put this on the side for now. Okay, so today we'll be cash stuffing $1,447. So let's see if that's what we got here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87. Ooh, so crispy. 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 81,000, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 50, 60, 70, 80, 93, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 94, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $1,447. Okay, so let me just organize this money. I'm gonna speed it up, but you know your girl. I get irritated if all the bills aren't facing the same way, so I'm about to do that because you know your sister don't play. Let's do my cash envelopes first. Groceries is getting 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Household is getting 20. Takeout and fun is getting 50. 20, 30, 40, 45, 36, 38, 39, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Sephora is getting 15. Beauty is getting 12. Miscellaneous is getting 2. And yeah, that's that. Now, high priority. So, debt. Debt is getting $536. So now debt has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, $854.
Damn!
Yep, right on the money. I actually did my trackers this time. Boom.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
And then next we have education, and education is getting 50. So now education has 1, 2, 53, 50, 70, 90, 410, 420, 425, 430, 431, 432. Yes, sir. Next we have Lil Red, and Lil Red is getting $34. Sorry if you hear my dog, she's being a little emotional right now. She's very needy. Please stop. And now Lil Red has 1, 2, 3, 54, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 700. 700! Ow! Oh, damn. Yep, 700. We are on the ball this week.
What I'm talking about.
That's it for my high priority binder. Next, we're gonna do low priority, and events is getting $50. 50. Next, we have self-care, and self-care is getting $39. So now self-care has 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. $87. Next we have my business binder. And my business binder, so hard to open. My business binder is getting taxes. We always give in taxes.
Sucks to be me right now.
You should know that already, watching my videos. Taxes is my least favorite to stuff, but it's the most stuffed. If that ain't sad, I don't know what it is.
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
Good night.
Okay, so taxes is getting 55 this time. 20, 40, 55. Again, I'm sorry for the noise. I live next to the highways, so all the cars like to zoom past like they are Evel Knievel.
Well, good luck with that.
So now taxes has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 56, 57, 58, 20, 40, 60, 89, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 947. Okay, so I know my last video taxes had more, but I figured out that I did the calculation wrong for taxes, so I transferred some of the money from taxes to my Lil Red fund. So yeah, that's why Lil Red had more and taxes has less now. So we're all good on that. Then, last but not least, we have my savings challenge binder. Okay, so we're gonna put this in my dollar challenge. Damn. And then the remainder of the money is gonna be put in this envelope here. This is just a holder for all my savings challenge money until my savings challenge video that I film later on in the week. So this envelope is getting $484. 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 94, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Bango. So now this envelope has 1, 2, 53, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 80, 96, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 684.
Is she alright?
And I think I may be finishing one of my challenges this week. So stay tuned for my savings challenge video. That's gonna be uploaded on Saturday. Last but not least, I want to do a Happy Meal unboxing. Like I said, I have a lot of Happy Meal coming in this month for my birthday, and I splurged a lot because it's lit.
Do you, boo-boo? Do you, boo-boo?
So let me just show you what I got real quick. Okay, first I bought from Renee Monroe Designs on Etsy. I really needed a bank deposit and bank withdrawal envelope for my wallet. I came across her Etsy shop and I just fell in love with her stuff, so I decided to buy it. So let's open it. Okay. So pretty. Oh, that's my receipt. So pretty. Gorgeous. Okay, if you don't know, I really love black and gold. That's my thing. Well, that and olive green. It's a weird mix, but yeah, you know. So love the packaging. What is this? Oh, this is cute. What is it? Okay, business card. Thank you for supporting my business. All of her information is right here. This is so cute. Oh, this is a really cute envelope. And a cute paper clip. I definitely need one of those. And then here it is, guys. So cute. And then here is my bank withdrawal envelope for my wallet. Look at that. It has all the denominations here. You put how much you want and then put the total here and then the total withdrawal on the bottom. So pretty. Okay, so that's that. I'm not gonna put these in my wallet that I have now. I'm actually gonna put it in my new wallet that I bought. I know, I'm so bad, but I bought a new wallet because the one that I have, so this one I was so sad because like it was gonna be my ride or die. I was gonna stay and stick with this Savion wallet forever just because I love the functionality of it, but I got a rip in it and I was so sad. Look at that. So I decided to get a new wallet. Hopefully the new one is just as amazing as this one. We'll see. I'm not gonna tell you where I got it from yet. You're just gonna have to wait and see about that. But yeah, there's a new wallet coming, so I'm not gonna put this in my old wallet. I'm just gonna put it on the side for now. Last but certainly not least, a package from none other than Divina C. It finally came in. Let's open it and see what I got. Okay, there's a little thank you card in here. So cute, yeah. It says, Kree, thank you so much for supporting my shop. I am grateful. Please enjoy the 100 envelope challenge box. Happy savings. I also included your giveaway prize. Love, Divina. Okay, so for Divina, I actually won one of her giveaways, and for her giveaway, she was giving away her savings challenge envelopes. So I was really stoked. I asked if I could have them in the cream color, and yeah, so that's what she made me. Cute packaging, Divina. I love it. Okay, so these are savings challenge envelopes. I got a $1 savings challenge, a $5 savings challenge, $10 savings challenge, $15 savings challenge, a $20 savings challenge, and a $50 savings challenge. So these are so cute. I love it, love it, love it. So I bought these from her. They're glitter gem stickers, and I just bought them because they're pretty, duh.
Ooh, this is nice.
I'm gonna be buying some placeholders, so I just wanted some extra bling, you know, to spice it up a little bit. So that's that. And then, guys, I'm about to show you. Okay. So I've seen a lot of channels, they started or they're doing their 100 envelope challenge, and it really motivated me to want to try it out. Jasmine from Oh My Fro Budget, she just completed her 100 envelope challenge in 100 days, and that's insane. So awesome. And I loved watching her unstuff it. It was like so satisfying. So I've decided that I am going to start my 100 envelope challenge in November. So this is what this box is for, because Divina was selling hers and I just fell in love with hers. So this is it, guys. Like I said, I put the blingy blings to bling it up.
What?
So I put KBJ for, of course, Kree's budget journey. She had, I think, a few different designs, but I really wanted her moon galaxy design, so I went with that. So they're labeled 1 to 100. These are some of the designs I'm going to show you. Okay, I really like this one. So cute, yeah. Holographic. She has some moon ones. Oh, there they are. See this moon design? I love. You know, like dark purples. So yeah, that's my new 100 envelope challenge box that I will be starting in November. Sorry for my dog. I want to start it already, but the way that my budget is, I don't think I'll be able to start it until November, until after I fully fund a couple things. So thank you so much, Divina. If you haven't checked out her Etsy shop, you definitely should. She has a lot of cool stuff on there, so go check her out, and go check out Renee Monroe Designs on Etsy as well. But yeah, I think that's it for today. If you like this video, click the little like button below, and if you want to continue following me on my debt-free journey, feel free to subscribe. Again, mahalo for watching, and until next time, a hui ho and aloha.